It's not as nice as a hydraulic top link, but it costs me nothing, and I can still adjust it from the seat. Hello there. When I did the video on my 5 favorite tractor add-ons, I mentioned an adjustment wheel on the top link of my 3-point hitch. And I had a number of people ask how I attached the wheel to the top link itself. So I thought I'd make this little video and show you. It's very easy. I just took an old wheel that I had lying around. This one just happens to have a 12-inch diameter, and I bored out the center to match the diameter of my top link. Now to do that, I just took a little piece of scrap wood and I whittled it down so it would fit in the center, and then when I put my bit on to drill it out, it'll keep it centered and it won't wobble around. After that, I drilled 4, I think they're 1/4-inch holes here in 4 places here, and then I just lashed it onto my top link, and I'll show you what I did here. So I just unscrewed the end of the top link so I could slide the wheel on, and I just lashed it. It was very easy. Now, would I love a hydraulic top link? Oh yeah. But until then, this cost me nothing and it works very well. Now, this wasn't my idea. I learned it, I found it on YouTube like many other things, but it's a really good idea. I hope I explained this well. Take care.